we're going to do question 2. And yeah, I'm recording this right now, so you'll be able to access this later. Yeah, there's a camera. There's a camera here. Okay. So question number 2, I'm asked to find the fourth order Taylor polynomial at x equals 0. Well, hold on. Of
we need to turn that light off.
someone turn these lights off then? That one. Yep, perfect.
No, now turn on the lamp. No, if you turn them both off and turn on the lamp, you should get a clear picture. Oh, damn. Yeah.
Boom. There we go. Okay, now we're recording.
Oh, no.
It adjusts the aperture for my hands. So when my hands go away, it readjusts the aperture.
A little bit.
Turn the light on.
Just draw really, really dark. Turn on one row of the lights. Yeah.
Which one?
Either one, the middle one.
There we go. That'll work perfect. That'll work perfect. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to do part 1, which is to do this. Okay? And then part 2 is to find f of 0.2. Okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is use the formula, which is going to be f of 0 plus f prime of 0 times x plus f double prime of 0 times x squared over 2 factorial plus f triple prime of 0 times x cubed over 3 factorial plus f the fourth derivative of the function at 0 times x to the fourth over 4 factorial. So we need to be able to first find derivatives of f, right? F prime of 0 would be, what's the first derivative of this?
Sine.
Negative sine.
Negative sine.
Negative sine of pi over 2. That, when we're doing this at 0, kind of doing multiple steps at once. But we have to multiply by this pi over 2. Right? And the second derivative, you're going to have a negative. We're going to have to multiply by a pi over 2 again. And this time it's cosine pi over 2 times 0. And then, for the third derivative at 0, it's going to become positive now. It's going to be pi over 2 to which power? The third power, because I've multiplied now 3 times. I multiply by pi over 2 each time I do a new derivative. So the third derivative I should have to have multiplied 3 times by pi over 2. This is going to become sine of pi over 2 at 0. And the fourth derivative, pi over 4 to the, pi over 2 to the fourth. Threw me off a little bit. It's okay. Okay, now, for all of these odd-ordered derivatives, they're going to be 0. Why are they 0? Because sine of 0 is 0. What is sine of pi over 2? I'm sorry, cosine. Oh, wait a second. Backwards. That's absolutely backwards. Right. I'm sorry, I forgot what this pi over 2 factor. Cosine of pi over 2, which is 90 degrees, is 0. So these are going to be 0. So each even degreed. Yes. Look at you, you just circle.
Cosine of 0 is 1.
I'm confused. He said cosine of pi over 2 is 0. Yeah.
Ah, you're right.
Yeah.
No, you're right.
So it's the cosine and the sine of 0 at all times.
This sine of 0. Sorry, take the product of that. Sine of 0 is 0.
And cosine of 0 is 1.
Goodness. Sorry.
1 and 1.
This is cosine of 0, which is 1. So 1 times negative pi over 2 squared. So it's just negative pi over 2 squared. We haven't done the factorials. We're just doing these parts right here. Wow. So
And this one would be positive.
this is going to be pi over 4.
Pi over 2.
Jeez Louise. To the 4th.
Get it.
I feel like we should start this recording over again.
You should put this on YouTube, like the best math teacher ever. Best math teacher. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for the ego.
Ouch.
I got payback for the shut up earlier.
Okay. I didn't say that.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, f of 0 in this case is 1. Right? Now I'm just going back in here. Now that we know all of these 5 values of the function, well, 4 of them really, we're going to come back in and substitute. So f of 0 is 1. What's f prime of 0? 0. Times x is 0. So we're going to forget that. Now the next one here, f double prime of 0 is negative. So let's put a subtraction symbol in here. I'm going to have that pi over 2 squared times x squared over 2 factorial. In this case, that's 2.
Wait, so we just skip over anyone that equals 0?
Now this, yes. So this next one is 0, so let's skip it.
And then go to positive.
So this is pi over 4 positive. Just kidding. Pi over 2 to the 4th. Caught myself this time. Over 24. Okay. That is not simplified. But that's what we're looking for. So that's pi squared x squared over 8 plus pi to the 4th x to the 4th over 16 times 24 is 384. Nice. Okay. So here is our 4th order Taylor polynomial for this function here. Now, second part, that was first. Second part, let's find f of 0.2. To do this, plug and chug. We're just going to substitute in. On a calculator. Did anyone already do this?
Yes.
What is this value?
0.95105.
0.95105. 1. Okay. What is that actually? Sorry, this is approximately this.
The actual one, it's after the 0.5 and it's with a 7 instead of 6. So it's an overestimate.
0.951.
It's really close.
1. Let's keep going though. This was a 0.
Really close. First one's the approximation.
0.565163. And let's throw this in here. Let's not round there. Thank you.
It's really not.
So that total error can be found by the absolute value of the difference.